Welcome back to Robinhood Coins. This is TJ and this is our comment video for tonight's $half hunt live stream at 6 p.m. Central Standard Time. Now I have 6 boxes in front of me, but we're only going to hunt through 3 of them tonight. I'm just having a hard time picking which 3 we're going to hunt because the NF String & Sons rolls have been hot lately. The Yellow Loomis rolls were hot before we stopped getting them. I barely got these 2 last week. And the black rolls, the last box that I had 26 silver in it. It was awesome. So I'm just having a hard time picking. I think what we'll do is when we need to pick a box, we'll let the stream boss pick it. Or the first 3 people that, if they super chat with a box that they want opened, we'll go ahead and use the first 3. Otherwise, we'll pick them at random when we need to pick a box. Just like last week, we'll be giving away everything we find during the live stream. We'll either give some of it away during the stream, and the rest of it we'll add to the giveaway tube for future streams. Speaking of giveaways, there's 2 ways to enter. First off, comment on this video. That gets you entered into these 2 giveaways. We'll pick the winner using a random comment picker at the end of the stream for this 1964 Kennedy. And then we'll use a random comment picker on our regular Saturday winners video to pick the winner for that pair of 40% Kennedys. Then we'll give away some of the silver we found during last week's live stream to people that are active in the chat during the stream. I'm really excited about the stream. I'm hoping that we find a bunch of silver like we did last live stream and like we did on Sunday. Looking forward to chatting with everybody. It's going to be a good time. See you at 6 p.m. Central Standard Time.